Naniniwala ba kayo na doon sa pahayag ni Anyon, Eduardo Anyon, na wala siyang kinalaman doon sa core group na yon? Maliwanag na ipinahayag ito ni Remulla, sa kanyang isa sa mga interview sa kanya ni Pinky Web. Mababawi mo pa ba yan? Hindi na. Malinaw na binanggit ang pangalan mo, 'di ba? Ano 'yan? May amnesia? 'Di ba? Pagpapatunay lang 'yan na hindi ka loyal na tao. Kahit na ang taas na posisyon na binigay sa iyo ni Tatay Digong, nakakahiya kasi lumalabas na isa kang Judas. Traidor ka ng bayan at traidor ka bilang isang kaibigan.
National Security Advisor, I was merely doing my job. However, I face all these accusations against my honor and integrity with full resolve, knowing that I am on the side of the truth and I was simply doing what I had to do. And in doing so, I upheld the truth, justice, and the rule of the law. Again, my loyalty is always to the country, to the Constitution, and not to any person. Thank you, Madam Chair.
It's a group effort. Secretary Chudoro was there, Secretary Anyo was there too, and the President and I. Secretary Anyo, of course, his specialty is intelligence, so he was gathering all the information in his source, in his location. He still shares some affection for the former President. They had a very good working relationship. But he's
Ano to? Naglolokohan ba tayo? Malinaw, di ba? Yung pagkakasabi ni Remulla sa'yo? Kakaloka ka, Anyo.